Welcome back everyone to English Wings. So CBSE Class 12th English. So I am going to discuss the chapter Deep Water, that is taken from Men and Mountains. Men and Mountains is an autobiography of William Douglas. So उनके इस ऑटोबायोग्राफी से ये शॉर्ट स्टोरी डीप वाटर को एक्सट्रैक्ट किया गया है. So let us start the video. So here is a short intro for the author. Deep Water is our autobiographical account of the author's childhood misadventure at the swimming pool. In this chapter, he tells us how as a young boy he was nearly drowned in the swimming pool. Of Men and Mountains is a book of personal adventure and discovery of William O. Douglas. In such country, William Douglas has noted men can find deep solitude and under condition of grandeur that are startling, he can come to know both himself and God. सो इन्होंने यहाँ पे इस एक्सट्रैक्ट में मेनली स्विमिंग पूल में जब वो ड्राउन होने वाले थे उसके बारे में डिस्क्राइब किया है, जिसमें वो कहते हैं कि आप अगर उस पोजीशन में जाते हो तो यू कैन डिस्कवर बोथ योर सेल्फ एंड गॉड एज वेल. So here is a summary for all of you. In the story, he tells about his fear of water and how he conquered it by determination, willpower. उन्होंने अपने determination, willpower के बारे में बताया है. As a child, when he was 3 or 4 years old, he would go to the beach in California with his father. He would get scared by the might of the huge waves which swept over him, and it instilled a fear in his subconscious mind. वो ह्यूज वेव्स को देख करके उन्हें बचपन से ही धीरे धीरे वो फियर जो था उनके सबकॉन्शियस माइंड, दैट मीन्स उन्हें पता नहीं था बट उनके माइंड के सबकॉन्शियस पार्ट में ये चीज़ डेवलप होना स्टार्ट हो चुका था. A few years later, in his eagerness to learn swimming, he joined a swimming pool where an incident further increases terror. So कुछ सालों के बाद जब वो स्विमिंग सीखना चाहते हैं तो एक इंसिडेंट के कारण उनका जो टेरर था उनके दिमाग में वो और ज़्यादा ट्रिगर हो जाता है. He was pushed into the pool by another boy and experienced death closely. Many years after that incident, he stayed away from water, but the desire to go fishing and swimming in nature was strong enough to motivate him to overcome his fear. तो जब उन्हें एक लड़का ने पुश कर दिया तो उन्होंने डेथ को काफ़ी पास से एक्सपीरियंस किया था. सो उसके बाद उन्होंने वाटर को काफ़ी सालों तक अवॉइड किया, बट हिज डिज़ायर टू स्विम जस्ट टुक ओवर द फियर दैट ही हैड ऑफ स्विमिंग. He learned swimming with the help of an instructor who ensured that William knew swimming well enough to be able to swim in huge lakes and waterfall also. तो उनके इंस्ट्रक्टर ने उन्हें काफ़ी अच्छे से ट्रेन किया. Still, when he would swim, the fear from his childhood experience embedded in his subconscious mind would creep him over and over again. He wanted to conquer that fear. He faced it sarcastically, thinking that now as he know how to swim, what harm could it do to him? He challenged his fear in the face of it and finally it would vanish. It was a baseless fear. Instead, in his subconscious mind, the experience was valuable for him. He had experienced terror and death. He overcame it and finally conquered it. William realized that death is peaceful and it is a fear of death that is terrorizing. His will to live life grew intensely as he had overcome his fear and started living fearlessly. So उन्होंने अपने माइंड को समझाया that if you have learned how to swim, why to be afraid of swimming? आपने जब सीख ही लिया है तो यू शुड नॉट बी अफ्रेड, यू शुड एक्सपीरियंस इट बिकॉज डेथ इज पीसफुल. द फियर ऑफ डेथ इज वेरी ट्रॉमेटाइजिंग. द कीवर्ड्स आर YMCA, that means Young Men's Christian Association, that is located in London. Next, treacherous, that means dangerous. नेक्स्ट वाटर विंग्स, दैट मीन्स आर्म बैंड जो कि स्विमिंग के टाइम आर्म में पहने जाते हैं टू मेंटेन द प्रेशर फ्लो. सबड्यूड, दैट मीन्स सैड. Aversion, dislike. Stirred means mix. Revive, recover. Bruiser, aggressive. Rippling, flowing. Ducked, immerse. Summoned, call for. Flailed, wave. Throbbed or pounding, that means beat. It had happened when I was 10 or 11 years old. I had decided to learn to swim. There was a pool at the YMCA in Yakima that offered exactly the opportunity. The Yakima River was treacherous. Mother continually warned against it and kept fresh in my mind the details of each drowning in the river. But the YMCA pool was safe. It was only 2 or 3 feet deep at the shallow end, and while it was 9 feet deep at the other, the drop was gradual. I got a pair of water wings and went to the pool. I hated to walk naked into it and show my skinny legs, but I subdued my pride and did it. From the beginning, however, I had an aversion to the water when I was in it. This started when I was 3 or 4 years old and father took me to the beach in California. He and I stood together in the surf. I hung on to him, yet the waves knocked me down and swept over me. I was buried in water, my breath was gone, I was frightened. Father laughed, but there was terror in my heart at the overpowering force of the waves. So, अभी जो ऑथर हैं वो 10 और 11 ईयर्स के हैं. YMCA एक एसोसिएशन है जहाँ पर याकीमा रिवर में उन्हें स्विमिंग सिखाया जाता है. उनकी मदर उन्हें काफ़ी समझाती है, वार्न करती है, बट ही टेल दैट शैलो एंड पर तो 2 to 3 फीट डीप है, उसमें कुछ भी डेंजर है नहीं. सो उन्होंने वाटर विंग्स लिए और लेकर के स्विमिंग को चले गए. उन्हें अपना स्किनी लेग शो करना पसंद नहीं था, बट द डिज़ायर टू स्विम वॉज वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग इन हिम. सो उन्होंने वो किया. लेकिन जब वो 3 और 4 ईयर्स के ओल्ड थे तब उनके फादर उन्हें कैलिफोर्निया स्विमिंग को ले गए थे, और जिस टाइम उनके फादर के ऊपर वो स्विमिंग कर रहे थे, लेकिन वेव्स के कारण उन्हें पानी में गिरा दिया था. सो उनके फादर उस बात को उतना सीरियसली नहीं लिया. ही वॉज लाफिंग, बट द फियर वॉज इंस्टिल्ड इन हिज माइंड. My introduction to the YMCA swimming pool revived unpleasant memories and stirred childhood fears. But in a little while I gathered confidence. I paddled with my new water wings, watching the other boys and trying to learn by apping them. I did his 2 or 3 times on different days and was just beginning to feel at ease in the water when the misadventure happened. सो अब वो धीरे धीरे लर्न करना सीख रहे थे, उनको अब अच्छा लगने लगा था. ही वॉज ट्राइंग टू स्विम 2 to 3 times on different days, बट उनके साथ कुछ हो गया. आई वेंट टू द पूल वेन नो वन एल्स वॉज देयर. द प्लेस वॉज क्वाइट, द वाटर वॉज स्टिल, द tiled bottom was as white and clean as a bathtub. I was timid about going in alone, so I sat on the side of the pool to wait for others. I had not been there long when in came in a big bruiser of a boy, probably 18 years old. तो वो उस दिन काफ़ी देर तक वहाँ बैठे थे, तब वेट कर रहे थे कि कुछ लोग आ जाए तभी वो स्विम करे. वो अकेले स्विम नहीं करना चाहते थे. तभी एक 18-year-old बॉय वहाँ पर आता है. He had thick hair on his chest. He was a beautiful physical specimen with legs and arms that showed rippling muscles. He yelled, "Hi skinny, how would you like to be ducked?" तो वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा फिजिकल अपीयरेंस में स्ट्रॉन्ग था. ही हैड मसल्स. सो वो उसे पूछता है कि तुम्हें कैसे डुबाया जाए. हाउ वुड यू लाइक टू बी डग्ड. दैट मीन्स तुम्हें कैसे हम पानी में इमर्स कर दें. With that, he picked me up and tossed me into the deep end. I landed in a sitting position, swallowed water and went at once to the bottom. उन्हें उसी पोजीशन में उन्हें पानी में डुबा दिया गया और वो पानी swallow करके bottom में चले गए. I was frightened but not yet frightened out of my wits. On the way down, I planned when my feet hit bottom, I would make a big jump, come to the surface, lie flat on it and paddle to the. तो अब उन्होंने एक प्लान बना लिया कि जब भी उन्हें ऐसे होगा तो वो क्या करेंगे. It seemed a long way down. Those 9 feet were more like 90, and before I am touched bottom, my lungs were ready to burst. But when feet hit bottom, I summoned all my strength and made what I thought was a great spring upwards. I imagined I would bob to the surface like a cork. उन्हें लगा कि एक बैडमिंटन के कॉर्क की तरह वो स्प्रिंग अप होकर बाहर आ जाएंगे. Instead, I came up slowly, but वो धीरे धीरे आए. I opened my eyes and saw nothing but water. Had a dirty yellow tint to it. I grew panicky. I reached up as if to grab a rope and my hands clutched only at water. I was suffocating. उन्हें एक रोप को पकड़ने की कोशिश करने लगे, बट उन्हें वाटर के अलावा कुछ नहीं मिला. I tried to yell but no sound came out. Then my eyes and nose came out of the water but not my mouth. I felt at the surface of the water, swallowed and choked. I tried to bring my legs up but they swung as dead weight. Paralyzed and rigid, a great force was pulling me under. वो अपने आप को अंदर से निकाल नहीं पा रहे थे. I screamed but only the water heard me. I started on the long journey back to the bottom of the pool. I struck at the water as I went down, expanding my strength as one in a nightmare flight as an irresistible force. I had lost all my breath. My lungs ached. My heart throbbed. I was getting dizzy, but I remembered the strategy. I would spring from the bottom of the pool and come like a cork to the surface. I would lie flat on the water, strike out with my arms and thrash with my legs. So उन्होंने काफ़ी ज़्यादा स्ट्रगल किया, फाइट किया अपने आप से कि वो पानी से कैसे भी बस बाहर आ जाए, बट ही वॉज नॉट एबल टू डू सो. Then I would get to the edge of the pool and be safe. I went down endlessly. I opened my eyes, nothing but water with a yellow glow, dark water that one could not see through. And then sheer stark terror seized me, terror that knows no understanding, terror that knows no control, terror that no one can understand who has not experienced it. I was shrieking underwater. I was paralyzed underwater, stiff, rigid with fear. Even the screams in my throat were frozen. Only my heart and the pounding in my head said that I was still alive. अब उन्हें कुछ भी फील नहीं हो रहा था, उनके बॉडी में कोई मूवमेंट नहीं हो रहा था. ही वॉज नॉट एबल टू फील हिज लेग्स और हैंड, एनीथिंग. सो उन्हें अब लग रहा था कि वो जो अभी फील कर रहे हैं वो शायद ही कोई और कभी समझ सकता है, क्योंकि जिसने ये चीज़ एक्सपीरियंस नहीं किया, नो वन कैन अंडरस्टैंड इट. So he was not able to feel anything except the pounding in his head and the beating of his heart. So we will continue to explain the second part of the story in the next video, because the story is too long and the video will be too long for all of you to summarize all the content in one video. So in next video में मैं second part को ज़रूर cover करूँगी, and till then learn the keywords, learn the story, and if you have any doubt, please comment in the comment section below. If you all like the content, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.